Mexico is not just a country, it's a feeling. And if you really want to understand Mexico, you don't start with history books. You start with food. Mexican food is loud, warm, spicy, and emotional. It's one of the oldest food cultures on Earth, built on just a few powerful ingredients. Corn, beans, and chili peppers. And chili? Chili is everything in Mexico. But here's the thing, Mexican food is not just about heat. It's about flavor. Deep, layered, unforgettable flavor. Let's start with one of the most important Mexican chilies, Ancho chili. Ancho is a dried poblano pepper. It's not very spicy, but it's rich. You'll taste dried fruit, a little sweetness, a hint of chocolate, and soft smokiness. Ancho chili is everywhere in Mexican cooking. It's used in slow-cooked stews, meat marinades, and especially in mole sauces, some of the most complex sauces in the world. Another classic chili is Guajillo. Brighter, redder, and a bit more tangy. Guajillo adds freshness and color to salsas, soups, and taco meats. Then there's Pasilla. Dark, deep, earthy. Think raisins, coffee, and roasted flavors. Chefs often combine Ancho, Guajillo, and Pasilla to build layers of taste. But Mexican flavor doesn't stop at chilies. Spices like cumin, Mexican oregano, cinnamon, and cloves are just as important. Mexican oregano is stronger and more citrusy than the one you might know. Mexican cinnamon is softer and slightly sweet, used in both savory dishes and desserts. Now let's talk about how Mexicans actually like their food. Mexican cuisine is all about balance. Spicy, sour, salty, sweet, and bitter, often in the same bite. Lime juice cuts through fat. Chili adds warmth. Corn brings natural sweetness. Slow cooking adds depth. Mexicans love food that feels real. Food that comforts you. Food you share. And nothing represents that better than the taco. The taco is not fast food in Mexico. It's culture. Every region has its own tacos, different meats, different spice mixes, different cooking styles. And honestly, some of the best tacos in the world aren't in fancy restaurants. They're on the street. In Mexico City, street food is everywhere. Walk down busy streets, local markets, or food stalls at night, and you'll see it. Grills sizzling, chilies roasting, clouds of spicy smoke filling the air. You'll find tamale, soft corn dough filled with meat or chili sauce, steamed in corn husks. Simple, ancient, and incredibly satisfying. You'll see elote grilled corn covered in chili powder, lime juice, cheese, and creamy sauce. Messy, bold, perfect. And then there are the sauces. Mexican food would not exist without salsa. Fresh green salsas made with tomatillo and raw chilies. Cooked red salsas made from roasted tomatoes and dried peppers. And then, mole. Mole is not just a sauce, it's a process. It can have over 20 ingredients: chilies, spices, nuts, seeds, and even chocolate. It's slow, it's deep, it's ceremonial. Mexican food also respects time. Meat is slow cooked for hours. Corn is prepared using ancient methods that improve flavor and nutrition. Nothing is rushed. And geography matters. Coastal regions use seafood and citrus. Northern Mexico prefers grilled meats and simpler spice blends. Southern Mexico is known for richer sauces and bolder chilies. Even drinks are designed to balance the food. Horchata, made with rice and cinnamon, cools down spicy meals. Fresh fruit drinks keep everything light and refreshing. Mexican food is not about perfection. about soul. It's noisy streets, colorful markets, fast hands, old recipes passed down through generations. So if you really want to know Mexico, don't just look at it, taste it.